once again, Obsessed Garage isn't the only YouTube channel that I shop with. So this I picked up from another YouTube channel that I follow, Whistlin Diesel. And this is supposed to be the best shirt ever. So we'll see. So first off, it comes in a black bag. Inside, it's another case, Whistlin Diesel. Not a bad presentation. Official merchandise. Size large. Undo the zipper on the bag. And this is what we're looking at inside. So it's definitely a heavyweight shirt. On the back, we've got tools for rapid disassembly. And it's this, kind of distressed look with the Whistlin Diesel tag, which looks a little destroyed, I think intentionally, because the shirt is a distressed look. So let's try it on. So the fit is good, the length is good, the sleeves are good. Yeah, I'd say it honestly fits really well. So maybe it is. I mean, I don't think it's the best. It's not soft. So like my American Apparel shirts are much softer than these, but it is pretty nice. So anyway, this didn't get me anything. Apparently scanning this QR code though is going to unlock some videos that we can watch. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I was done with this video, but I just needed to add something to it. So this is the Whistlin Diesel shirt. There is in this corner right here, and it says scan. And I'm seeing people on the internet like not understanding how this thing works. So basically on your phone, iPhone, whatever, Android phone, you want this app called Berify, B-E-R-I-F-Y, this app right there. That's what it looks like. And it says on it, scan your NFC tag. So it says press here to scan, and then you hold it up to your shirt. Okay, and now it says authentic. Your product is verified as authentic. And there's Whistlin Diesel. So when you click on view product, there is a link. It says explore. There is a link that takes you to a website. And then there is a password. It says password. It literally gives you the password right here. And when you go to that website and you type in the password, and I'm not telling you what the password is, you buy a shirt. It goes to, here's the website. There's 2 videos here so far. There's the General Lee, and there is biggest waste of money in history, and it's a Can-Am. So if you want to watch the extra videos, you buy the shirt, you scan the thing, Berify is the app. It doesn't ask you for any information, no credit card, no nothing. It's a free app. Just download the app, scan it, it'll give you the password and the website, and you can go to the website and you can watch the video, and if you click on the button, it'll start playing the video. And it works just fine. So hopefully he'll release more videos on there. Maybe he will, maybe he won't. It's a nice shirt anyway. So I like to support other content creators. Hopefully other content creators support me someday. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.